In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache and cookies on Firefox. Over time, Mozilla Firefox stores cached files and cookies to help websites load faster and remember your preferences. While this can improve your browsing experience, outdated or corrupted cache and cookies can sometimes cause websites to load incorrectly, prevent you from signing in, or create other browsing issues. Clearing this data is a simple troubleshooting step that can often resolve these problems. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to clear your cache and cookies in Firefox. To begin, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once the browser has launched, click the menu button in the upper right corner of the window. This button is represented by 3 horizontal lines. When the menu opens, select Settings to access Firefox's configuration page. On the left side of the Settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section contains options related to your browsing history, cookies, site data, and privacy preferences. Scroll down until you reach the Cookies and Site Data section. Here you'll see information about the amount of storage currently being used by websites. To remove your browsing data, click the Clear Data button. A small window will appear with 2 options. One option clears cached web content, while the other removes cookies and site data. Make sure both options are selected if you want to completely clear the browser's cache and cookies. Once you've confirmed your selections, click Clear. Firefox may display a confirmation message, reminding you that you'll be signed out of most websites after the cookies are removed. Review the message and confirm that you want to continue. Firefox will begin removing the selected data. Depending on how much information has been stored over time, the process may take a few moments to complete. After the data has been cleared, close Firefox completely and then reopen the browser. Restarting Firefox ensures that websites load fresh content the next time you visit them, and that any cached files that may have been causing problems are replaced with updated versions. Keep in mind that clearing cookies will sign you out of many websites, so you'll need to sign back in the next time you visit them. However, your bookmarks, saved passwords, and browsing history will remain available unless you specifically choose to remove them. Regularly clearing your cache and cookies can help improve browser performance and resolve many common website issues. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,